So I want to share about that backpack health app while it is fresh in my mind. And pardon me being on the bathroom floor, but I just got out of the bath and my brain is feeling functional. And so I thought I'd share while I was on that brain wave. So I talked about it in this last video that I posted about doctor visits and essentials when I go to the doctor's office, but I've been playing with the app a little bit more since then, and it's really cool. Basically, if you haven't checked it out yet, the app is Backpack Health, and it literally is, it can hold all the information that you have about your medical condition, appointments, medication, symptoms, x-rays, paperwork, protocols, literally everything at the touch of your hand in a tablet or in a phone that you can take anywhere electronically and that you can share with anyone. Now, this is exceptionally awesome for people with multiple conditions or a lot of things that you typically carry with you to the doctor's office, because I know for me personally, I had this giant folder that I would carry around with all my paperwork just filed away in kind of a chaotic order, that now it's basically useless. I don't have to do that anymore. I'm still going to keep it for my own records, but now I have this app that I can just refer to with doctors. I can take notes on, I can put my questions on in there. But it's going to be really great for people with, like I said, multiple illnesses or conditions, but also parents who have children with conditions. And normally, like, school field trips can be a little bit alarming, or your child going and playing at someone's house that you don't necessarily know, or, it's a whole ordeal to share with them, kind of talking through the whole medical situation. But now you can literally just share their medical ID card electronically, and then that person has access to everything, and you can feel rest assured knowing that your child's information is with you wherever they go. In addition to that, traveling for you or anyone with a chronic illness, you can have all your medical information with you wherever you go. I'm currently in the process of planning an international trip that I'll share more later. And I was a little bit worried about bringing my stuff, because normally I bring my laminated note and a couple medical documents, but I'm going to a place that is not English speaking and the translation is really challenging. And I'm not finished playing with everything on this, but my understanding is that this app can translate in other languages for other medical professionals all over the world, which would just be amazing, because for the most part, when I travel internationally, I have friends who help me depict together information in that language, so that way I can let people know, my hospital needs. But this eliminates that. This basically eliminates everything. Once you plug in all of your information, you can share it with everybody, store everything in there, and take it with you wherever you go, literally like a one-stop shop doctor's notepad. So within the app itself, there's specific groups that you can join, and then that will give you a little network on its own. I've only been exploring the National Adrenal Disease Foundation's group, because that's the group that my disease falls under and the category that I'm looking through. But there's also, I also have vitiligo and osteoporosis, and so there's other groups in there as well that I've been joining to have all my medical information and resources kind of compiled together that other people have shared as well that could be useful for me. So again, I'm still playing with it, but I'm just really jazzed about it, because it's going to make traveling and spending time with new people for extended periods of time, and again, helps parents with individuals with medical conditions, because it's just going to make everybody feel safer and supported, which is really ultimately what we want. We just want to be able to do what we want to do, but we want to be safe about it. So this is going to be a really cool tool. I'll include all the links in here. There's also a couple YouTube videos that you can watch and get familiar with the app on as well. But I just wanted to share here on this platform so that way you guys can get using it, because I think it's going to be a huge time saver for all of us in the long run, and we don't have to deal with paper. So it's kind of a zero waste option as well, which, you know, I always support. So that's what I'm sharing about today. If you are on it and you have success with it, or share what you like about it or whatever, and we'll kind of explore this new platform together. And as always, thank you for all your time and energy, and good luck on your journey.